Put your yeast in the bowl. Add your milk, sugar, and stir together. The essence of stirring is to allow the yeast to prove. Add your nutmeg, salt, so once you've mixed this thoroughly, the next thing you'll be doing is to add your flour. Then mix together. You have to mix this thoroughly before you add your margarine. So once this has been mixed properly, the next thing I will be doing is to add my margarine to it. Then I'll keep mixing. So the next thing I will be doing is to put this on a flat surface, a neat flat surface. Then I'll wash my hand and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. The essence of the kneading is to have a very soft bread. So the next thing I will be doing is to put it on a clean surface, but before then I need to put some flour on the surface to avoid sticking. This is just to avoid sticking to the surface. Then I will now start kneading my bread. Actually, very soon I will be showing you how to make bread without kneading. You don't need to knead the bread and to still come out nice. But for this recipe, you have to knead for a few minutes. So once we've kneaded it and it's like this, can you see? So the next thing I will be doing is to get a big bowl. I'm using a big bowl because the bread will rise and I wouldn't want to use something smaller that will not give space for the rising of the bread. Then I will apply oil on the bowl. Once I have done this, then I will put my batter there. Can you see? So once I've done this, the next thing I'll do is to cover it for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it doubles in size. So I will leave this to rise for 20 to 30 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on the surface. can actually use anything to cut it. So you allow this to stay for another 10 to 15 minutes. I would love to sprinkle milk on the bread to give it an appetizing look. And lastly, I will add my half tablespoon of dry pepper.